Hello my friends, welcome back to Philo Chess. In this video, we shall learn how to use the tactics of deflection to win in chess. We shall learn what are deflections. We shall learn how to identify opportunities to use deflections. And finally, how to use deflection tactics to win chess games. Well, let's learn through examples. In the first example, it is black to play and win. Now here, the best move for black is to play rook e2. When white captures the rook with his king, black will capture the undefended rook on c4 and win. Now what has happened? Let's see from the start. The king on d3 is supporting the rook on c4. So at once black cannot capture the rook on c4. In order to capture the rook on c4, first he has to divert or remove the white king from defense of c4. Therefore, white first played rook to e2, forced the king to come to this square, and then he captured the undefended rook on c4. So it simply means, removing the defender from a critical defense. Now, how do we exactly spot opportunities of deflection? Let's go to the next example and learn how to spot opportunities of deflection. First of all, we have to identify the piece which is engaged to defense. And then we have to look for opportunities to force the defender, that particular piece, to move away from defense. Here, which pieces are facing each other? Clearly, it is the rook on f1 which is facing the rook on f8. And how do we identify the defender of black's pieces? Well, the defender of this rook is the king. The king is defending this rook, which is being faced off by white's rook. So if white captures rook on f8 at once, black will recapture with his king. Therefore, white has to look for ways to remove the king from defense of the rook. So can you spot how white can remove the defender of f8 rook? Well, it is by the move bishop h7 check. White sacrifices a bishop, but he wins a rook. Therefore, white is an exchange up. He gets a winning position. Therefore, in order to find out the opportunities for deflection, first we have to identify which defender is defending the weakest point. And then we have to look for means to remove that defender, to distract the defender, or to divert the defender from defense of that weak point. Let's go to the next example. Here it is white to play and win. Once again we see white's rook is attacking this rook, but black's king is defending this rook. Can you find a way to remove the king from defense of the rook? Yes, it is by means of bishop d5 check. The king is forced to leave defense of the rook, after which white captures the rook and is an exchange up with a winning position. So this is quite a simple tactics, but very effective, because we get opportunities to play deflection tactics very often in game. I mean, being a chess player myself, I have noticed that many games we get these opportunities, and if we can master these opportunities, we can certainly get many wins in our matches. Finally, in this position, it is black to play and win. This is slightly more challenging than the previous ones, But again, the process of finding winning moves is the same. Black to play, and he has to win by the tactics of deflection. Now, again, we see that black can at once capture the rook, but then the bishop will take back black's rook and the game will be equal. So, what black does is he removes the defender of the rook by playing bishop d4 check. Now, it's a double attack, attacking the king and the rook and the bishop together. White is forced to take this bishop, after which black captures the rook and emerges an exchanger. So this is the way how we find deflection in practical games. I hope you learned this video, you enjoyed learning this video, and thanks for watching. We shall meet again in the next video with a fresh lesson and a new tactic on how to win in chess. Thank you.